maintenance vlog. I'm going to go do my nails. Yeah. Guys, I just did my nails now, maintenance vlog, so I'm gonna talk like this most of the time. I'm gonna Uber now to go to my hairstylist in Auckland Park, so let's go before I miss my appointment. So yeah, finally guys, order is restored. So thetha kanje ngoku ndizawuthetha kanje.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now, put me in the.
Hi guys, I am home. Order is restored for real, and the sun is sunning. Guys, I couldn't show you the process yet because the hairstylist does not have a mirror in front, so I was like bummed to not show you the hair process. But this is the end product. Simple. Nothing. This is high school and a high school. I so wish I could show you guys nicely. Turn around. This a little too bad. Guys, I am eating. I'm gonna eat. I just ate meat, guys. I forgot to film that, but now I'm gonna eat muffin. That's basically muffin, a cappuccino muffin. I was given this muffin by my colleague. Naleken this patella is on. So because yesterday, guys, I don't know, big one left, right, and center. And I was just so full. It was someone else's birthday. Food was just coming. So I can't anymore. I can't. So I'm gonna eat this. Yeah. I don't know what else I'm gonna do, guys. I was hoping to do like a new alcohol tasting thing. I think I'm gonna squeeze it in on my next vlog, which I don't know when that is. I like tasting different alcohol. Like I know Benini has released like a mimosa thing. I want to taste that. I don't know if it's called kinks or cakes or what. I want to taste that. Anything that I've never anything that I've never put on my mouth, but anything that I've seen on TikTok people reviewing, I'll also do a review of mine. And then yeah, I think this maintenance vlog should end here, guys, because wow, it's been a long day and I'm quite tired and exhausted. And I just want to say thank you to my hairstylist. Guys, definitely go check her out. She's located at Auckland Park. Her TikTok handle is Z Hair Studio, at Z Hair Studio. She is amazing. Please do hit her up. Yeah, and then I did these babies at the Nail and Lash Lounge Midrand, but I think their handle is at the Nail Lounge Midrand. Yeah, search along those lines, guys. If not, you want to do your hair, kuzi. Actually, I'll put the handles on the description box. or you want to do your nails at you around mid-range and you want a good nail tech, definitely hit me up in the DMs if you want their numbers, and I'll gladly give you, because guys, look at this, like a simple straight bag, but I so wish you guys could see it in real life. Like, oh, I shame like, you okay, but yeah, bye for now guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Actually guys, nina nindeza emotional, because why ninga subscribe to channel yam, and subscribe guys, and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment, and also share the video, share the channel. Let's grow guys, let's grow this little channel. Let us grow this little channel. Tell your friends to search Likona Gyoza on YouTube and press that subscribe button.
My bad bitches. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume.
Okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me.
Hi guys. Shoes, Mr. Price. Pants, Zara pants. Shein, coat from Foschini. Pantyhose or stockings from Woolies. This is my OOTD for the women's event. I'm not sure, I might carry heels. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Okay guys, now I'm packing my lunch. Okay. Fork. I'm gonna carry a nachi for breakfast. Yeah, I think that's about it guys. I think my Uber's outside, but yeah, let's go to work guys. Yeah, peace. Tiring. Yo, I'm tired of refilling this kettle now. Every time now when I come here, it has nothing. Then I refill it. I am tired, yo. Even the Lord knows that.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the wise is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
That you are lost, even if you don't love yourself. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
Okay guys, we're back from the women's event and it was so much fun and very educational. And izothi hi kumpo Mbali. Well now, yeah Mbali, I have a bone to pick with you. I have a bone to pick with you. A bone to pick with you. Okay, but I'll tell you more about it when I'm home. Hi guys, I am back from work and I'm feeling very, very tired and quite out of it. Don't wanna lie, it's been a long day, sort of ish. We had an amazing Women's Day talk. All the speakers were so amazing. Like I felt like each and every speaker was talking to me to a certain extent. I learned so much. I do hope that I am going to make a Women's Day, whatever type of video where I sort of share what the three ladies spoke about. Yeah, it was so like eye-opening, things like that. Also, I'm quite not in the best of states right now. Like I don't know, like Ingati, like I would go for a walk around the complex. I think I'm just gonna do that right now and text my brother that I've gone for a walk around the complex just to clear my mind, because I think like I'm too much in my head today. So yeah.